Hi and welcome. I'm MJ. Today I'll show you how to download and install Bluetooth driver for your Windows 10, 8, 7 PC or laptop. So I will show you the easiest way to download Bluetooth driver to a laptop or desktop. So open any browser, open the Google. In the Google just type Intel Bluetooth driver for Windows 10, or if you have Windows 8, type Windows 8 and go with this second link, wireless software download for Intel. Okay, so open it and you will get some option here. Just select here your operating system. Like I have Windows 10 32-bit, so I'm going to select the Windows 10 32-bit. If you have 64-bit, you can select 64-bit, or Windows 8, Windows 7. Select your operating system. So 32 is mine, so just select the 32. Okay, now it will show the best result of Bluetooth driver. So I'm going to the top because these are latest version of Bluetooth driver. Okay, now here once again is asking your operating system like 62-bit or 32-bit. So I have 32-bit, so click on 32-bit download and then click on I accept term. Okay, now you have to save the file. Just save the file. These are setup file. Okay, so now is the download is start. So let it to download setup file. It will take little time. It depends upon your internet speed. So I think it has 77 MB of size. Okay, so file is downloaded. You will get this type of setup file. Just double click on this and it will run the setup. Okay, so click on I have, check on this option and click on install. That's it. Now your Bluetooth driver is installing. This is the Intel Bluetooth driver. If you have AMD and other processors, so search for AMD and other processor like this. So it's complete. Now click on finish. That's it. It's better to restart your PC for better performance. And that's it. You are good to go. Your Bluetooth software is installed successfully. So thanks for watching. See you next video. Please like, share and subscribe. Thank you very much.